Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin using the Plus500 app. But first of all, I just want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Plus500 app, then go to the trade section, which is on the top, the left side on the top. And here you will see all the different trade options. Now it's on all popular, but you can search for all the different markets that you want. And you can find Bitcoin on all popular, or you can go and find it on crypto. And then when you are on the all popular section, you just have to tap on the buy icon. And here you can choose the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to purchase. You can either use these buttons to add or to increase or decrease your amount, and you will see the price that you will have to pay for this amount. As you can see on the top as well, you can see the current rate for 1 Bitcoin, and you can use this very cool feature also, the buy when rate is. And if you turn this switch on, you can set a rate which is lower if you want to buy at a lower price, which is a very nice feature. So let's go back and choose an amount. Let's say we are going to buy 1 Bitcoin. Oh, no. 1 Bitcoin. And then just tap on buy. As you can see, my funds aren't enough, just only for 0.260, which is going to cost $11,000. Now let's tap buy, and it is already added to my Bitcoin account, as you can see here. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.